Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I am Vignesh and in this video we will continue to learn the command line tool of cloud storage bucket called gsutil. And in this we'll be exploring how to remove buckets using RB command. Like using this gsutil RB, we will be able to remove buckets only when the bucket is empty. Even if there is one file also, right? One file object or folder, subfolder, anything which is present inside the bucket, this command will not to remove the bucket from your console. So the gsutil rb command delete one or more buckets. Bucket must be empty. So this is very important. Bucket must be empty before you can delete them. So before deleting the bucket, you have to be 100% sure, because once it is deleted, you will be not able to recover it. And one more important thing is, since the bucket name is globally unique, you will be not able to, for example, I deleted bucket. After 5 minutes I wanted to create bucket of same name, like meanwhile someone might have used the same name as well. If it is used, then you will be not able to recreate or create bucket on that name. So now we will step into the console and we will see how to delete buckets, like what are the different options. So first, this is my console and I'll directly open my cloud storage buckets. So under this cloud storage bucket, I have three buckets. Here you can see my GCS bucket 1707, 1722, 2204. And inside every bucket, we have three PNG files, like objects. We have three objects. The same will be present in 1722 as well as 2204 also. We have this same file as well. So now I'll open my cloud shell. So this is my cloud shell. First, I'll use this gsutil rb help. So just to understand what this command is about, here you can see it is basically used to remove buckets, and this is the synopsis, and here you will have only one option. I'll just clear the console. Now I'll use gsutil rb and my bucket name. So I'll use this 2204 bucket as of now. So I'll just delete it because it has three objects. We'll see how it, whether it deletes or it gives any exceptions or error. So I'll just hit enter. So gsutil rb, it is trying to remove, and there is, we are getting an exception, that is not empty exception. So it is 409 bucket not empty. Whenever you wanted to use this rb command, you have to make sure the bucket is empty, or else it will give us this error. So now how to remove this? In order to remove objects from the bucket, we can use rsutil rb-r and gs and my gcs bucket and all the objects inside this bucket. I'll represent that with the help of this asterisk. So I'll just hit enter. So this will remove all the files from the object, but this will not delete the bucket. We'll cross check that by getting into this console, and we'll just do one refresh. So once after refreshing, you can see the bucket is gone. It is a dual region bucket and storage class as archive, and there is no files or objects present inside this bucket. Now I'll execute this above command gsutil rb, and I'll just execute this. Now if I execute it, we'll be able to see the bucket will be removed. So the same, I'll go here and I'll refresh it and we'll see. So 2204 is gone. And now we will proceed with the next command. So to continue silently, so this we have seen in RM, copy all this other commands as well. If you wanted to continue silently without giving any error, even if there is error also, right, without showing that, we can continue silently with the help of this option -f. And there is one more way to remove object and also to remove bucket is gsutil rm-r and the bucket name 1707. I'll just get into this bucket. So here you can see there are three objects. So when I use this rm command and if I'm not mentioning the asterisk, then it will delete all the files and also the bucket itself. We'll cross check that. I have hit enter and now we will see. So it is removing all the files and also removing the bucket itself. The same we will cross check here. We'll go out and we'll do one refresh. Yes, the bucket itself, it's gone. So this is all about the lamp. This is how you will be able to remove bucket from your console. If you have any questions, any doubts, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.